Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you the Blackvue DR900S-2 channel installed on a Mercedes C-Class 2018. So we have the front camera just under the mirror, the rear camera in the rear windshield, the B-124 battery, which is the Power Magic Ultra, is actually hidden under the dash all the way to the top, so it's invisible, and we did not put it accessible as the customer did not ask to use it, but it will run the vehicle, the camera for quite a while before it will turn off. The power has been taken behind the center console. That way we have very strong power. It's not gonna damage any fuses, and also it's clean. There's nothing in the fuse box, no connections or anything else. Dash cams for vehicles and other electronics can be found at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.